SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which for the most part is genuinely huge. SLP for the most part faces opposition at $0.003 in a very significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir in every way that really matters is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the basically bears generally has been laid out at $0.003 16 January 2024. In this video we will walk you through by and large Smooth Love mixture cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on some things, facts, what for the most part is momentary cost expectation for truly Smooth Love Elixir, generally is SLP a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir support and obstruction levels and so forth in an exceptionally huge manner. Yet, prior to plunging profound into the SLP market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951, or so they sort of thought. The for the most part absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $57,212,190,209, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a really significant manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, or so they truly thought. Sol, the essentially local coin of Solana in a real sense, is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at $96.95, or so they in a real sense thought. Furthermore, XRP came to 58 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem, which really is very huge. These occasions really demonstrate that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending heading for kind of transient in a for the most part significant manner. As of now, and in every practical sense, general truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61% in a huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically is very huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more fundamentally dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how SLP in every practical sense faces obstruction at $0.003, which basically is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants sort of become move genuinely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unpretentious manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of certainly Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, most certainly Smooth Love Elixir execution. The fundamentally day-to-day diagram of most certainly Smooth Love Elixir generally shows that the SLP cost most certainly has a really descending development, with a 1.18% lessening in every practical sense, recent hours. Exhibiting how support generally is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become most certainly more kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how SLP especially faces obstruction at $0.003 in a huge manner. The value worth of the Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) coin fundamentally is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars. So furthermore, XRP came to 58 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 16 January 2024, inside an essentially day-to-day time span, certainly made sense of underneath, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to fundamentally dissect the future development of the truly smooth love elixir. Showing how most certainly smooth love mixture backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The really relative strength list, RSI, shows that the SLP coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI in every practical sense is at 34 in a very significant way. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid in an especially significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline. Truly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally large manner. While SLP's Williams %R pointer really is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange commonly signal basically is conceivable at this reach in a sort of significant manner. As per the regular turn, the essential quick obstruction for SLP may by and large be for the most part found at $0.003, sort of followed by $0.004, which especially shows that Smooth Love Elixir certainly is by esteemed at $0.003 backing, for the truly bears generally has been laid out at $0.003 16 January 2024. In this video we will truly walk you through certainly Smooth Love Mixture cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what most certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture, explicitly is SLP a truly wise venture? Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels especially were situated at $0.003 and afterwards $0.003. Further appearance how truly Smooth Love Mixture backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path incredibly. Ends there in a real sense had been a truly bad pattern for quite a while. And it appears to be that the coin's recovery will generally go on as especially lengthy as it explicitly stays in the ruddy region, which in a real sense shows that all things considered, Smooth Love Mixture support and opposition levels and so on